Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Tony. Hope you're ready for another great video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Kia Sportage. This one happens to be a 2018 with the 2.4. This doesn't have the turbo on it. I think that the turbo model is a 2.0. They needed the turbo to give it some more ponies under the hood, I guess. But this is just the 2.4. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe to the video if you like it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And definitely subscribe to the channel. We love having you guys interact with the videos and talk to other subscribers as well, and kind of hang out a little bit. But with that said, let's get rolling on this thing. It's pretty easy to do, and hope you enjoy it. So the location of your air filter housing is going to be right here, and it's basically right in front of where the driver sits in the engine bay. You can't really miss it. There's a little flap right here. So basically you just pull the flap down like that, and then the air filter is right here in front of you. This is a really easy one. So there's a couple tabs. There's a tab here, you swing it down, a tab there, you swing it down, and you pull it right out, and it slides right out. This one's fairly new. Always look for debris inside of your air filter housing, and if there is some, if you can't reach down in there, if you get like a little vacuum in there, you want to get that all out of there so it doesn't end up inside your motor or something like that. Could prevent the airflow too in your fuel economy. So to replace it, you slide it back in, you lock these locking tabs in place, and get a little tug, make sure that it's secure in there, push the little trap door shut, and voila, you're done. So it's pretty much all it takes to change the air filter on one of these vehicles. It'll take you like 10 seconds at the most. It's really easy to do, pretty quick, and it'll help your fuel. It should help your fuel economy if the filter is dirty. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and we'll reply back to you. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.